Breaking news, and every single American needs to see the excerpt I'm about to show you. Do not scroll away. I assure you this is the most important thing you will see today. But first, a very quick recap. After losing a 9-0 decision by the Supreme Court ordering the Trump administration to facilitate the return of wrongfully deported Kilmar Abrego Garcia, the case was sent back down to the district court. There, things have not been going well, and Trump administration officials now face potential criminal contempt proceedings. Even though the Trump administration has admitted that Kilmar Abrego Garcia was wrongfully deported, they are refusing to bring him back, and they have appealed to the Fourth Circuit to be relieved of this obligation. In a unanimous decision, the Fourth Circuit Court of Appeal issued this order telling Trump that he has to return Kilmar Abrego Garcia, and there's an excerpt here that every American needs to see. And yes, I'm going to read the whole thing because it's that important. Here we go. It is difficult in some cases to get to the very heart of the matter, but in this case, it is not hard at all. The government is asserting a right to stash away residents of this country in foreign prisons without the semblance of due process that is the foundation of our constitutional order. Further, it claims in essence that because it has rid itself of custody, that there is nothing that can be done. This should be shocking not only to judges, but to the intuitive sense of liberty that Americans far removed from the courthouses still hold dear. The government asserts Abrego Garcia is a terrorist and a member of MS-13. Perhaps, but perhaps not. The reason for that language is even though Pam Bondi and Donald Trump say this guy is a terrorist, they have introduced no evidence to that effect. There has been no hearing determining whether he is a gang member. Any news organization saying otherwise is lying. Regardless, he is still entitled to due process. If the government is confident in its position, it should be assured that position will prevail in proceedings to terminate the withholding of removal order. Moreover, the government has conceded that Abrego Garcia was wrongly or mistakenly deported. Why then should it not make what was wrong right? In short, the Fourth Circuit sees what we all see. The Trump administration is not interested in deporting illegal immigrants or even terrorists or criminals. That is not their target. If it was, Kilmar Abrego Garcia would be home right now. This is a test flight. The Trump administration wants to see if they can get away with kidnapping people and sending them to an El Salvadorian prison without due process. If they succeed in that test flight, then they will target U.S. citizens, particularly political opponents and anyone who criticizes the government. For that reason, this test flight must be shot down, and it is up to the judiciary branch and every lawyer with a conscience to make sure it does not fly.